Hey everyone, if your Chase app turned blank right after the login in your phone, don't worry. This happens to a lot of users. In this video, I'll explain why this error happens in simple steps so you can understand what is going on. First, update app version. Many times the blank screen happens because the Chase app is outdated. Old version failed to load dashboards, so after you log in, the app just freezes or shows a white screen. Second, iPhone software glitch. iOS updates sometimes cause temporary glitches. If your iPhone recently updated, the app may not load properly, leading to a blank screen even though your login was successfully. Third, slow or unstable internet. A blank screen can appear if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow. The app can't load your account data, so it shows nothing after login. Fourth, Chase server issue. Sometimes it's not your phone at all. If Chase servers are down, the app logs you in but can't fetch your account info, causing a blank screen. Fifth, app cache corruption. If the Chase app's internal data gets corrupted, the after app logs in but fail to load the home page. This is common if the app was force closed many times. Sixth, VPN or ad blocker interference. Using a VPN or ad blocker can be block Chase security checks. As a result, the app shows a blank page because it can't complete the secure connection. Seventh, too many background apps running. If your iPhone RAM is full, the Chase app may freeze after login. Close all apps and reopen Chase can fix this. So that's why you get the blank screen after login. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.